Hello.
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I was saying like I just opened the script and I was just explaining like how to record the script. We need to go to the test script recorder. Then we need to give the port number, and then same port number can be open over in the system. Okay, so going to the settings of the proxy, use proxy server setup, and the server should be on. Give 8080. Just close this and just cross check whether internet is working fine or not. Yeah, so it is no internet means the proxy got turned on. Then go to your JMeter and click on start. Before start, you need to give the request filtering. If you want to exclude, if you don't want to record the non-HTML resources, you just click on suggested, add suggested excludes, and then come to the test plan creation again, and the target controller you can give. First will be going to launch the application, so that select your transaction controller as TC01 launch, and grouping should be do not group the samplers. Sampler is nothing but calls. Okay, so let's get started. Let me click on start recording. Okay, so once you click on this, you will be seeing root CA certificate is involved or not. So already we have been imported the root CA certificate in the browser. So pet store. Let's see whether it is getting captured or not. Do you see any requests are coming here? This is the transaction controller. Inside this, if there are any request, you could see here the arrow mark. Do you see anything here?
No.
So it means it's not getting recorded. So let me stop this and let's take another browser. Okay, let's go here. Let me check whether Mozilla being installed or not. Not there. Let me try download that. So I need to turn off the proxy. We just need to try with different browsers. That's it. You don't need to do anything here. So it's getting installed. Once this installed, you need to import the root CS certificate, which is there inside the bin folder. So here there will be root CS certificate. Okay, so this certificate should be imported security certificate. Do you able to see this type of certificate type?
Yes, sir.
Security. So this should be whatever the browser you are using. In this browser, you need to import this. This is security certificate. Okay, so let's go there. Let's go to the settings. Settings. I think it would be there in the privacy. Let's come down. Do you see certificates? View certificates. Click on this. Okay. Then go to your certificates and let's try importing. Import. Need to go to the JMeter bin. Certificate all files and a root CS certificate. And next, click on OK. Let's try recording now. So now go to the JMeter. The recording would be a bit complex here. Don't get confused because it's not like straightforward in the obvious we could see in the lower level.
So turn on proxy, sir.
return proxy. Use proxy. Save this. And then again close the browser. Go to the JMeter. Start recording. And open the browser. Open this. Pet store.
JPEG store.
JPEG store.
Yes, sir.
JPEG store. What is the URL exactly?
Octoper.
I think let's move. Okay. Let's search with something.
Petstore.octopus.com, sir.
Pet store. Let me try this. Just what it is showing. You are not familiar with root.ca certificate. Install only if it is yours. Then it could be an attack. Something it is showing. Just click on advanced. And view certificate. JMeter root.ca certificate recording only. It is there. Let's stop this. Go to the certificates, settings, and privacy, and come down. See certificates and authorizations, people, servers, authorities. Do you see root.ca certificate here? No, we don't see. Servers. So JMeter. So certificate. This is Java-based internet connection. Okay, let's close this and start. Go to the Chrome once. Go to the settings and let's go to the proxy settings. It is the same. Automatically detect should be turned off and use proxy. Okay, let's close this browser. Let's start recording. Let me open the pet store. Yeah, it's getting captured now. So 47, do you able to see this? This is ours or not? jpetstore octoperf.com. Do you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and everywhere this is launch related. Next, what I'm going to do?
Enter the store.
Enter the store. Let's go JMeter and change this controller to enter the store, right? Enter the store,
Yes.
enter the store. And your connection is not private. Let's click on advanced. Arey yaar. What is showing? Error certificate authority. Certificate is fine. To manually uses encryption of your when Chrome tried connect your petstore.com time there. Unusual incorrect credentials. Okay. So let's take up this. Let's stop this and go back, copy this and delete the history. History. Clear. And at least 4 weeks. Okay. And go to the privacy settings, go to the security and manage certificates. And then trusted, import again, next, root CA certificate. Next. Yes. Let's see now. If it is not getting recorded, we need to use third-party tools. Start. So already whatever the things are recorded, you need to remove them. Okay. So let me select this and remove this because these all are already created. Again, I need to go with the starting. So I'm just deleting them. This should be launch. Launch. So launch gets started. And next, let me select, enter the store. Okay, now it is getting without any issues. Next, sign in. Okay, can someone queue any ID? Login. Someone told what is ID? Can anyone provide?
Capital N
Okay.
AV
Hmm.
123.
Mhm.
Password same, sir.
Login. And next, select here logout. Then stop recording. Go to the JMeter. And this is the transaction controller. And every transaction inside the controller, there will be the request related. Okay. So enter the store and sign in. In the sign in, do you see the request?
Yes, sir.
See. So let me change the field, look and feel if I can. Yeah. Do you see all of them? Autofill, web, pet store. Do you see this? But I don't see Okay, this is sign in. The login, I should see the username and password. Yeah. Do you see them?
Yes, sir.
So it got recorded. Everything got recorded now. So what I have done, I use the same browser, but I have imported the certificate. Then go to the proxy settings, and I turned off automatically detected setting. Something is there, right? Automatically proxy detected. This should be turned off, and use proxy server should be turned on. Okay. Make sure whenever you try recording, if it is turned on, automatically detect setting should be off. Okay. This use proxy server should be on whenever you are recording. Close this. So I recorded this. Now I don't need the proxy server. I'm closing this. Let's go there. And if you're able to see here, do you see view results tree? What does this? What does view results tree?
Response.
No one is there in the session. What is view results tree? What is this view results tree under thread group? What is this view results tree?
This one is the recorded one, sir. Recorded response.
Which one?
View results under
Upper
test
one.
script record.
Yeah,
It shows the
this.
response and request on a replay level.
Which one? This?
Above one.
Okay. Let me highlight this. This we highlighted. This related to what?
Recording level responses.
999. Dekho.
It's snapshot.
Replay level.
This under this thread group. This is replay level. Under the
That is
test script order, this is
Recorded level.
recording level. Do you see this? File name would be
Recording.xml.
recording.xml. So if you want to see the request as well as response, first you need to know which one you need to take up. So there is a 165 number. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
165.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let's come here, view results tree, and 165. 165. Okay, here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you see the password and username?
Yes.
See,
So
password, username. This is request and response data. See, this is the response. This is redirecting. Do you see this? 302 means it is redirecting. Okay. So if you want to check others, 167. 167. Do you see this? Request. This is what? This is not related to, I guess, ours. 167. It's not related to us. And 166 pet store. It's ours. Getting noise. Getting noise. Okay. And this is related to us. 166. Okay. And if you're able to see response, this is the response. This is the response body. Response header is different. Response body is different. Headers means it will show you the status code and the headers which was coming back from the RESP server as a response. Okay. So, but in the load runner where we could see these, all these things in one snapshot, we could see replay level, recording level, right? But here it will be consisting view results tree. Okay. And one more thing here, there will be two clears. If you're able to see clear and clear all.
yes, sir.
If you click on clear all, it will be gone. Okay. Don't do that. Don't click on clear all every time. Just click on clear whatever the things you want to take up. And before that, what I need to do, I recorded the script. Now I need to remove whatever the things are not required, right? This is the server name. Okay. This is the protocol. Protocol means HTTP or STPS level. And this is the HTTP request. Get method, post method, or any. Okay. And this is the resource path. So after the petstore.com, if there are any other paths from the URLs level, it could be showing here. Okay,
Just it.
is this our URL, our server?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
need to delete this.
Mm,
114 should be deleted, and 116. Do you
Not
see?
ours.
No. 115
No, sir.
no.
and this auto accounts goal, it is not also. This is not. 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 This is.
Yes, ours.
This is ours. This is.
It's not ours.
Delete. Delete.
No.
Delete. Delete.
So how many requests are there for launch? One request.
One, sir.
100%.
Okay. So headers will be inside the request. Do you see the headers? In the load runner wait, headers will be coming above the request, web underscore add underscore header. But here in the JMeter, it will be consisting the path called HTTP header manager. Inside the headers, inside the manager, it will be holding all the related headers request level. Okay. But in the JMeter, in the load runner, how it was? Web underscore add underscore headers. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to enter the store. This is not ours. This is not. This is not. This is not ours.
Ours. Only.
This is not ours. We need to filter out exactly. Next sign in. So this is not ours. This is ours. And this is not ours. And in the JMeter, right, you don't have any regeneration. Okay. As we could see in the load runner, right? Here we will not be consisting any regenerate options. Remember. So very limited features will be available in the JMeter. Okay, so what I did, I removed the unnecessary things and I want to run this. Okay, to run this, there is a button, start button. Do you see this? Start.
Yes, sir.
So let me click on this. It will get started. Appending to existing file. So in this, we could see replay level, request as well as response. So it got run. So here you will be seeing bit confusion. 122 and then it got executed transaction controller. You won't be find out which request is related to which transactions, right? Here, do you able to identify which request is related to which transaction? See, so what we need to do, you need to go to the transaction controller and generate sample everywhere in the transaction controller. Check generate sample, generate sample, generate sample, save this and go to the registry and clear this. Whatever the log it is created in the replay, you can clear before you run next iteration. Okay, to clear, you don't click on the clear all, you can click clear. select this window tab and click on clear. Then related replay for previous iteration will be removed. Clean up. Let's run this again. Append to existing. Now do you see? This is launch. So if you expand that, you will be seeing launch related request. Okay. So this is status code as 200 and response data. This is the response data. And this is enter related. Only one request. This is the response. Next, click on sign in. Next, click on login. Okay. Next, click on logout. That's it. So any confusion till now? It's like very straightforward, but if you get stuck, right, it will take very much time to work on. If we are good till now in the recording level and just replay without any changes, we can go ahead with the next correlation concept here. We can record. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
so let me see in the login. If I want to capture source page, if I want to see this is value is keep on changing, but it is not impacting on our scripts, right? But if you want to capture this, let's say this is the dynamic value. Let's assume. How do you handle this in the JMeter? That is correlation concept. What we do in the load runner, what we do, we will be copying this value and we will go to the responses like control home, then find out and in which response it is coming. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then we are writing what?
One web bridge save.
Web bridge save param we were writing. Yeah.
Yes,
So let's do this in the JMeter. Let's copy this and go to the view results tree where I could find recording level request and response in the view results tree of the desktop recorder. Okay. Let's go to the control home and you could see there is a window called search.
Yes.
Okay. Paste your value and search. The request will be highlighted. Let's come down. If you're coming down somewhere, the request will be highlighted. So do you see at 161
Yes.
request it has highlighted with box, right?
Yes.
Let's click on
Inside.
go to this response body. Okay, again search here in the response body. Fine. So do you see this?
Highlight.
It is okay. Let me change this look and feel. Look and feel. It should be one dark now. Windows, classic. Do you see?
Yes, sir. Clear show.
Okay. So I just searched out in the view results tree. One
61.
request will be highlighted and go there and search in the response to identify the left and right boundaries. Okay. So till this point, it is the value. What is the left value here? What is the left value?
Source page one.
Source page one. Okay. Let's do this. Copy this till here. Okay. Where it is coming? In 161 response it is coming, right? It 161 number. Do you see the number? 160. Let's go here in the script, in the thread group 161, this. Okay, here it is coming. So here right click and add post processor. Do you see the post processor?
Yes.
So here regular expression extractor, go there and paste your value in the regular expression extractor, regular expression, paste your value. And here remove whatever the value is, keep on changing. This value only keep on changing, right? Let's this till this, remove that. So there we will be adding open bracket, close bracket, whatever the value is keep on changing. We'll be removing that. We'll be adding inside the open bracket, close bracket, dot star question mark. That's it. Whatever the value is keep on changing, we will be removing that. We'll be adding open bracket, close bracket, inside dot star question mark we'll be adding. Okay. So any confusion here? Any confusion, everyone? Okay, let me do it again. Let's delete this. Okay, what we are finding out here, we are finding out the dynamic value should be coming up in any response, right?
Yes, sir.
That we identified, it is coming at 161 line number. Okay, at 161, this is the request, and let's go to the response body, and I searched out what is my dynamic value. It started with E2, ended with equal, right? I just, what I did click on find, right?
Yes.
So this is value which has been highlighted. Okay, what is the left boundary, what is right boundary, can you tell me?
Left boundary source space value, right boundary.
Which is there at the left side for the dynamic value is called left boundary, which is there right side for the dynamic value is called right boundary. So can you tell me what is left boundary, right boundary here?
Source space value, left boundary.
Source space value equals to quotes is the left boundary.
Yes, yes.
And the quotes backslash, close bracket, curly bracket, and this input into the right boundary. So what I will do, I will be copying this whole thing, source page to this right boundary. Copy that, and where it is coming at 161 line number, go to 161 request, where it is under sign in transaction. Right click, add post processor, regular expression extractor. So here in the expression we need to paste the value. So here what is the value is keep on changing. What is the dynamic value I considered?
Start with and end with equal to.
This whole thing, right? This whole thing we consider as dynamic value. Okay, and highlight that and delete that. Okay, and add open bracket, close bracket, wherever the value was there, open bracket, close bracket, dot star question mark. So this expression will be holding the dynamic value. Okay, and it should be saved somewhere in the parameter name. So in the load runner, the parameter name will be there, right? In the JMeter also it will be consisting parameter name. This is name of the create variable. Need to give CP underscore. What is that? Source page. Source page. Okay. Save that. And here by defaultly template would be capturing the group number. So how many expressions I written here?
3. 4.
Expressions. This is called expression.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
5. What 5? This is whole skeleton is called expression.
One. Okay, one, sir.
Yeah. Open bracket, close bracket, dot star question mark. This whole thing called as expression. Okay.
One expression.
One only. So here I need to give $1. Next match number. Match number is nothing but the ordinal what we had in the load runner. What is ordinal? What is ordinal?
Shows all the dynamic values present in that selection
Present in the selection based on the left boundary, right boundary,
boundary.
right? So here by defaultly it was picking first value, right, in the load runner if we not given also.
Yes, sir.
So even what we have done there, if you want to generate random value from the drop down or something, what we do, Purva?
Yeah, we put odd equals, ordinal equals to all, and we write the random function.
Yes, but here very straightforward. Here if we given 0, it will be taking random. Okay, but here I am not generating any randoms. I want to pick up first occurrence, so that's where I will be giving first occurrence. And default value, if it is not capturing what you want me to show, I'm showing not found. That's it. In the load runner, once we written this, what did we do? We given the toggle breakpoint and we checked in the output, right?
Yes, sir.
Whether that value is being captured or not. But here, how can we do it? We need to add the debug sampler. Right click, add. Okay, before that, let me run. Let me go to the view results tree. What happened? I don't see this. It's because of look and feel has been changed. Windows. So it is changing the, it is asking for the restart. Let me restart this. It will be restart automatically.
Started, sir, already open, I think so.
What happened? Most recent. Okay. Let's run it. So do you see anywhere the parameter name?
No, sir.
How can we get to know that value is being captured or not?
Search and find.
We need to add, go to the thread and add sampler, debug sampler. Okay. Now go to the view results tree, clear this and run it again. Debug, go to the debug sampler, go to the response data. Do you see CP underscore source page? See this value captured. CP underscore source page underscore G1. G1 means first expression value. How many expressions are there?
1.
1 underscore G1 is what? This.
Dynamic.
It has captured. Now what I need to do? I need to replace. So what is the value? Source page. Copy this whole and go to the search, paste the value, search with, and what value I need to replace. Go to the regular expression extractor and copy this. Replace by what? How we were replacing the value in the load runner with only curly braces, but here we need to add dollar also. Dollar, open bracket, close bracket, like curly brace. Inside this. Next, replace all. So it got replaced one occurrence. This. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So this is the way we'll be doing the correlation in the JMeter. Go through this and try this and try for product. Try for the products. Okay. Next, record the script by adding the products, select the categories and adding the products and sign out. Okay. So everyone record this for tomorrow. Record and do correlation. That's it. So in the next session, I can tell you how we can do the parameterization and checkpoints. Okay. So anything else, anyone? Go through this video. Maybe I will send you till 2 o'clock, 2 or 3. Let me try generate it if I can. For 3 sessions, I haven't sent you, I guess, till now. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me try all the sessions to send it to you. Let's see. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.